ভালো লাগছে, খুব ভালো লাগছে।
Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are gonna take our parents to John Lewis and IKEA visiting in Exeter. We needed a few things for the house, but mostly it's just a good reason to get out together. Just parked at Exeter St. Davis car park. Let's get our parking ticket and let's head towards the city center. Let's go and explore. It's now time for tea break. Some things just never change. It's always tea for them and coffee for us. Yes, they agreed with some cake as well. Next stop, John Lewis. Currency conversion is always a funny thing.
এটা ভালো,
এটা ভালো দেখতে, আচ্ছা না লাভলি দেখতে ভালো তো নাকি সাইজ আছে।
খুব ভালো লাগছে, খুব ভালো লাগছে।
Next stop, IKEA, where we go in for one box and probably we'll come out with plants, candles and just a random 10 more things, which I'm sure we didn't plan to buy. Let's go and explore this. But before we start anything, it's time for a quick tea and some snack break. Baba is full geared up with the cart, ready to explore every aisle like it's almost like a mission. Beware IKEA, here we come. Days like these remind me, it's not always about what you buy, it's about who you shop with. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and please give us your feedback in the comment section. Thanks for spending the day with us. Until next time, bye bye and take care.